So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the text size here on Fotor. So once Fotor is opened up, go to the left side, press on text, and then press on add a heading. Now the simplest way to do it is to just select on your text right here. So I'll just go text size just like this. I'll then make it a little bit smaller this way. The simplest way is to press on the text, grab the corner, and just make it larger or smaller this way. But if you're looking for like an exact size, just go to the top bar here. So if you wanted the fonts to be different, you can go ahead and press on this. For font size right here, you can make it larger or smaller. So I'll just highlight it just like this, and you can make it larger or smaller by going ahead and playing around with it in regards to plus or minus. For me, it's not actually working right now, so you can go ahead and default to just making it larger or smaller this way and seeing what the size may be up here in the top left area. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to edit text size here on Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.